Exercise number 1, V up. Lie flat with your arms extended overhead. Lift your legs and upper body together, reaching toward your toes. Keep your core tight and control the movement as you lower back down. Exercise number 2, tuck jump. Stand tall and jump up explosively, bringing your knees toward your chest. Land softly and go straight into the next jump. Keep your core engaged. Exercise number 3, Superman. Lie face down with arms extended. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground. Hold briefly, then lower slowly while keeping control. Exercise number 4, squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips down and back, keeping your chest up. Push through your heels to stand back up. Exercise number 5, Russian twist. Sit with knees bent and lean slightly back. Twist your torso side to side while keeping your core engaged. Maintain a steady rhythm. Exercise number 6, reverse dip. Place your hands behind you and lift your hips. Bend your elbows to lower your body, then push back up. Keep your elbows pointing backward. Exercise number 7, push up. Start in a plank position. Lower your chest toward the ground, then push back up. Keep your body straight and core tight. Exercise number 8, plank jack. Hold a plank position and jump your feet out and back together. Keep your hips stable and core engaged. Exercise number 9, pike push-up. Start in a pike position with hips raised. Lower your head toward the ground, then push back up. Focus on your shoulders. Exercise number 10, mountain climber. Start in a plank and drive your knees toward your chest alternately. Keep a fast pace while maintaining control. Exercise number 11, lunges. Step forward into a lunge, lowering both knees. Push back up and alternate legs. Keep your chest upright. Exercise number 12, jump squat. Lower into a squat and explode upward into a jump. Land softly and continue smoothly. Exercise number 13, high knees. Run in place while lifting your knees high. Pump your arms and keep a consistent pace. Exercise number 14, glute bridge walkout. Lift your hips into a bridge. Slowly walk your heels away, then bring them back while keeping hips elevated. Exercise number 15, diamond push-up. Place your hands close together under your chest. Lower your body while keeping elbows tight, then push back up.